From my observation, observing people learning Creatrix transformology this week and watching them change day by day before my eyes has been all the belief I need in this simple, amazing methodology. It's just life-changing and it's simple and you don't have to be stuck anymore. Fear of success for me, I feel, has been the biggest barrier for me to rise up, to be fully in leadership and to be seen and be heard. Yeah. And there's the fear of rejection, that people won't want to hear what I have to say. So to rate feeling like a fraud, yeah, often it's a good solid 8 out of 10. My love of people and wanting to help them has gotten me this far, but the underlying fear of being seen as not enough and yeah, just an imposter it prevents me from helping others, even more so than I can accomplish now. If I continue to feel like a fraud, it will eventually cost me my business and my choices in life. I would rate not feeling good enough, it's got to be a solid 9, 10. Now that I've been at the Creatrix transformology course, I feel like I've been given the golden key to help other women unlock these shitty beliefs and things that just make them stuck and overwhelmed, and just things that keep going around and around and cementing that they're not capable. So I would rate my fear of success now around a 1. It's just, it's virtually gone. I can't even feel the emotion of feeling like a fraud. It just feels as though feeling like a fraud was just a way for my unconscious to hold me back from. I thought it was something to be scared of. What I've experienced and how I've overcome things is extremely valid and it's helped people. I know that. It's just completely a non-valid thing. The feeling of not being good enough. It's a 0. It's just nothing. I can't even connect to what that was. Creatrix transformology doesn't compare to anything I've ever experienced before, and I've done a lot. So I've tried a lot. Buddhist meditation, Tai Chi, yoga. Buddhist medicine was a massive help, and a whole range of things. But these elusive, unconscious, hidden shadows that are always there, just tapping on the shoulder. And it's so easy to think that a tool or a modality needs to be complex and difficult for it to actually have substance. And this is what Maz has accomplished. She has found a way, being completely outside the box, and it's just amazing that she's put this together. And it really works. It's the real deal.